Hey guys, it's Jonathan here from Daddy Guitar Lessons. If you guys are new to the channel, click subscribe, hit the notifications to stay up to date with our lessons. This week's lesson is going to be on the chord E and chord E minor. 2 chords, 1 lesson. We are starting right now. Alright, so to play chord E, we are going to use fingers number 1, number 2 and number 3, and also only frets number 1 and number 2. So take finger number 1, place it on fret number 1, the 3rd string, the G, and press down. Now take finger number 2 on fret 2, the 5th string, the A, press down. Now there's 1 string open between finger number 1 and number 2. Take finger number 3, fret 2, and on that string, the 4th string, the D string, press down. Now from E to E, 6 to 1, that is the chord E. One of my favorite chords to play because you can play it always open. No muting of any strings at all. So as promised, there's 2 chords on today's lesson. The first one was the chord E. Now, to play the chord E minor is as simple as lifting up finger number 1. Just lift it up. Also, no muting of any strings. That is the chord E minor. Awesome stuff, guys. So now you've learned the chord E and also the chord E minor. You've also already learned a bunch of other chords right here on Daddy Guitar Lessons. So now's the time to have some fun with it. Start playing around. Keep on practicing switching between the chords, but now it's going to start to sound like something. Make up your own songs as you practice switching between the chords. So that's the lesson for this week, guys. It was 2 chords in 1 lesson, but it's easy enough to play, it's easy enough to remember. So as always, click subscribe, hit the notification bell for future notifications for anything that's happening on this channel. Join our new Facebook community page and follow on Instagram for some extra tips and tricks. I'll see you guys next week.